If you're a beginner and you want to start spot trading on your Binance account, then how you can do it? For this, we will simply go to the Binance website available on my PC, on my Google Chrome or any browser. You have to click on the first website. We will simply log into our account of Binance with my email ID and my password. On the right, as you can see, I have an option to log into my account, and yes, I will do the same. I will simply log into my account and then show you the thing that how you can simply start stop or spot trading on your account. So you have to click on the yes if you want to log into your account again and again, and there is a lot of option. You have to verify your account, then you can only start your trading. Now on the top of the screen there is an option to trade, and in the trade section you will get an option to spot trading. So yeah, there is quite easy thing you can do. You can read all the chain here, that is assets, parts, Bitcoin, ALTS fiat currencies, the BNB chain, and any other network currencies on the list. You can read all the statistics. As you can see, the amount is clicking up and getting out. You can buy BTC by clicking on this blue button or the green button on the screen of the bottom of screen. You have to select the piece of USDT, you have to select the amount, then you have to enter the total currency here, and yes, after that you can buy or sell on the spot trading option on Binance. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.